Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and let me introduce you to your new kitchen assistant, this dough maker by Mini Angel. Since this was my first time using a machine like this, I have to say I love how easy it was to set up and use. There are not a lot of parts or things to put together, and I had it up and running in minutes. The quality is also really good. Everything from the base to the stainless steel bowl to even the little spatula that I included was very well made and sturdy. Now to the exciting bits. I love that I can do everything in this one bowl. I can mix my ingredients, have it make the dough, and also have my dough rise all in the same bowl. If you're gonna work with stickier dough, my tip would be to knead it yourself once the machine does its part in combining everything. But not to worry, even when it did stick, the spatula does an awesome job of cleaning off everything. This machine also maintains the temperature of the dough, so mine got so big, honestly the biggest I've seen it compared to not using this machine. I love that it includes timing settings, so once again, I don't need any other gadgets. And in case you're wondering, yes, you can make other things that are not dough. I am so excited to try out other recipes. This is definitely a winner in my book. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.